Oh, so look what's back at the dealership, and this time it's back for good. Well guys, it's that time of year. We're filming everything, filming Mike's Vehicle Spotlight, filming vlogs and stuff. It's gonna be difficult. It's windy, it's snowing a little bit, and they're calling for accumulation in the next couple of days. So this is it. I'm gonna try to do what I can. But it's freezing out here. Anyway, welcome to this installment of Mike's Vehicle Vlogs. If you've seen from the introduction, briefly, the Patriot is back at the dealership for good. Let me kind of tell you guys why. So, after almost 3 months, the 2008 Jeep Patriot Limited was just not working out. And it's a real shame because it is a nice and well-equipped vehicle, and it's the vehicle that my sister had wanted for a long time, it being a Jeep and all. But I think this particular one was just bugged, you know. It hasn't been taken care of in the past from the looks of it. You know, it was scuffed up here, and that bothered her a little bit, and the inside wasn't entirely clean, so they didn't, whoever had it before obviously didn't take real good care of it. But again, you know, like I said, it was like a farm car, so it probably didn't get much love, which is a real shame. It cleaned up pretty nice when I got a hold of it. But if you'd seen the video with the oil change and stuff, there's a problem with the analog system, and it's a mystery, and that's bothering her. And there's also an issue with the some of the interior stuff quit working all of a sudden. The seat, driver's seat, the trim and stuff's falling apart, and she was upset about that, and she had a really bad feeling about having the car all of a sudden. And it happens. Anytime you buy a used car, you're either gonna hit or miss, and in this case it was a miss, unfortunately. Sucks because we just did the oil in it. The oil's about a week old, so that sucks. But it's gonna need tires. The brakes are terrible. Not terrible, but the brakes are gonna have to be done. And there's just other little miscellaneous things here that she would bring to my attention, and there's really nothing that, you know, we can do about it, unfortunately. So she decided to turn it in. But it's, like I said, it's a real shame that it came down to the fact that she was worried about everything. Like, everything seemed like it was just really coming apart all of a sudden. And again, you buy a car, it's always going to be a hit or miss situation. And like I said, this one was a miss. I've never bought a used car where everything that was taking place just so happened to do it on that. Like I said, I honestly think it has to do with the Jeep not being taken care of prior to my sister taking it. So it's upsetting. And it drove nice. That's the thing. It actually drove really well. But there was going to be a lot of stuff that was going to have to be put into it, or it was getting to that point anyway, and she didn't want to deal with that. So wait till you guys see what she got instead. Well, guys, as you can see, there's snow on the ground now, and it's freezing. It's actually been a couple weeks, but this is the first opportunity that I've had to really bring the car to you. So, it's also very windy. So what car is replacing the 2008 Jeep Patriots? How about a brand new 2017 Ford Fiesta? Now, because I own one of these cars, these Fiestas, I'm not going to really go into full detail on this car as often as I would. But this is it. This is what is replacing the Patriot. And of course it's snow covered and such now, but so it's an SE, it's a brand new. When she bought it, it had 3 miles on the odometer. She bought the hatchback version. I mean, literally, this car came off of the showroom floor. But she loves it. Loves it a lot better than the Jeep. She still misses the Intrepid, but she absolutely fell in love with this car. Like I said, SE. A couple of differences between, you know, mine and this one. This color here, I forget what the exact name is. It's basically like a mint color. This is one of the few that you're gonna see around here with this color, I believe. She was the first. She bought the first one from the dealership that they had. But the inside is not all that much different from mine. The seats are different, slightly. The patterns are different. You got like these little line designs in there. It looks pretty nice. Right now it's got 338 miles on it. So hers has pretty much got, you know, a lot of similar things to what ours has. It's got, you know, sync, of course. It's got cruise. Doesn't have a leather wrapped wheel. Doesn't have fog lights, but it does have automatic lights. And it does have the standard, you know, radio system with sync, of course. And it's kind of weird for me to see the basic controls because, you know, our Fiesta has the touch screen with My Ford Touch and such, and hers has the manual climate controls, silver accenting. It does have ambient lighting. You know, USB port, auxiliary input jack. You see the ambient lighting's on there. So I mean, there really isn't that much of a difference between this one and the one that we have. Place for a pair of glasses, you know, lights, da-da-da. So yeah. But you can see like the back seat room is still really similar to ours. But the seats will fold down, of course. A lot of ice and stuff back here. And of course, you know, on the hatchback, I like the wheels. The split 5-spoke wheels are pretty nice. And of course, like mine, it's got the same 1.6 liter, you know, 4-cylinder engine, no turbo. So yeah. And like I said, she's really happy with it. She's actually in the house now watching her video, the video I made on the Intrepid when we said bye to it. She didn't watch it yet. So she's probably tearing up. But it's cold. I'm going to go back inside now. So this is it. 2017 Ford Fiesta SE. And she's not crying yet. So I guess what we really came to find is that the Jeep Patriot really wasn't the best choice for my sister in this case. And I'm not necessarily saying that all of the Jeep Patriots are bad, but it just kind of goes to show that upon further, investigating into this particular car, this one really wasn't taken care of, and I'm really sure that a lot of the problems that were arising with this were just coming out of the sheer neglect of the previous owners. Because again, it was a nice car to drive, it drove really nice, and it had a lot of nice features too. I mean, that thing was fully equipped. But as far as the things with the analog not working and the cruise control not working, the turn signal, left turn signal, I guess, wasn't turning off on its own sometimes. The plastic trim on the driver's seat broke off. The car had dirt and grime still from the previous owners. The car, when I washed it, felt like it had never, ever had a hand wash. So I just think that a lot of this was happening because of sheer neglect to actually take care of the car. But my sister got her new Fiesta, and she is completely in love with it. She even said that she has not felt this good about having a car since her Intrepid, so that says a lot there. But I think the Fiesta is going to give her a lot of good times. Our Fiesta has still been wonderful to us, and I think that my sister is going to really have good luck with her Fiesta. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also check out Mike's Vehicle Spotlight, which is the official vehicle touring segment that I post right here on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.